Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. The best and the fastest way to save or transfer photos and docs from phone to PC in 3 simple steps. Before I begin, I want to thank all my subscribers and visitors for helping me reach the 3 million total views mark. It's not for everyone, and I truly want to thank you all from the bottom of my heart. You may have a variety of reasons for archiving photos or documents from your phone. Maybe you're running out of space and need to free up a few gigabytes, or maybe you need to update your phone's software and you realize that companies could lose your data without taking any responsibility. Well, whatever your needs, don't worry. By the end of this tutorial, I assure you that even if you're not very tech-savvy, you know exactly how to save all your photos, videos, and documents to your PCs or USB stick or an external hard drive. My name is Nicola Scanni. With a degree in multimedia and a passion for technology, I have a tendency to pass along my knowledge in a very simple way. There are several methods to transfer data from your phone to your PC, but the best way is to use the USB cable that you use to charge your phone, connecting it directly to your computer. Step 1. Connect your phone to your PC and wait until you hear the double beep to confirm the connection. Your phone will automatically go into charging mode, but we need to change this setting from charging to transferring files. All updated phones will require the confirmation of your identity with a password, PIN, fingerprint, or facial recognition. Once this is done, let's turn our attention to the computer. If software like Smart Switch, if you have a Samsung, or Mi Mover, if you have a Xiaomi, has automatically opened, please close it and leave your screen as clear as possible. There should only be 2 open and minimized Windows folders on the screen, exactly as shown here in my video. The one on the left will be our mobile phone, while the one on the right will be our container for documents transferred from our phone. Step 2. In the folder on the left, we could have 2 hard drives, Windows, and another with the name of your phone, in my case, Galaxy S21 Ultra. Don't be alarmed if your computer displays 3, 4, or 5 hard drives. Focus your attention on the folder I'm showing you. On the right, double-click on this PC if you decide to save everything to your computer. Here, we'll create a new folder by pressing Ctrl-Shift and the N keys. Now, we'll name the folder we just created Phones Data, and we double-click to open it. For those who want to save everything to a USB flash drive or external hard drive, you first need to locate the external drive, in my case, external drive, double-click it, and create a new folder there, Data from Phone. Step 3. Double-click the phone's icon, in my case, Galaxy S21 Ultra, and then double-click to open the documents contained in the internal storage. If you're looking for documents, simply double-click the Documents folder. For photos and videos, find the DCIM folder, Digital Camera Mobile Images, and double-click to open it. Then do the same to open the Cameras folder. Now, wait a few seconds for all the photos and video to load and populate your folder. We click once on an item in the Cameras folder and then press the buttons Ctrl-A. Now, if we just want to copy our photos and leave them on the phone, we still press the Ctrl key but the C key for copy. If we want to permanently remove them from the phone while keeping the original documents, we press the Ctrl key and the letter X for cut. Then we click once in our phone's data container and then press the Ctrl key and the letter V for paste. Be careful, copied photo will lose quality. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Let's wait for the transfer to complete, and if we need to save additional data, repeat the same operation. That's it for today. If you enjoyed my tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This way, every first weekend of the month, you'll find a new video here on my YouTube channel. If you have any question, please leave a message and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for listening and enjoy your documents now that they are backed up and safe on your computer. Bye!